If you're ever getting stitches that aren't turning out, some skipping stitches or breaking of thread, you know what to do first? Change your needle. So let's show you how easy it is to change your needle. You do have a variety pack of needles, but right here up in this top corner, see that little I for information? If you click that, it will take you to our entire playlist of needle information, and you can learn more about needles. Super short videos like what's the difference between a ballpoint needle and a stretch needle, and what's a twin needle, all those different kinds. So if you want to learn more about needles, check that out. First thing to do before you freak out if things aren't going right is put a new needle in. So first off, if you just unthread the machine, you will need your screwdriver to loosen the screw over here. And if you have a little trouble holding on to everything, you can pull out your multi-purpose tool, and I'm going to lower down the presser foot. You can let the needle drop into that little hole, and it will allow you to catch it, and vice versa. There's actually, because of the way it's shaped, it's actually a flat side on the back. When you go and put a needle in here, it will help you insert it as well. So go ahead and go all the way up as high as it'll go. Make sure that is the key though, that you don't put it in and not get it high enough. I've got a way to have you double check that it's high enough. And then you can tighten it gently with your fingers and then just a little bit more with your screwdriver. Now, not too much. This screw, if you start going too tight, it will it'll break things in here. So just, you want it to make sure that it doesn't come out, but you want to do it just a little bit more than just your finger tighten. So new needle makes all the difference in the world. And if you use your needle threader to double check that your needle is high enough, if your needle threader works, you know you've inserted your needle as high as it possibly can go and completely correct. So if it's ever too low and the needle threader doesn't line up, double check that that's up where it should be. So change your needle and it will make all the difference in your sewing machine, just in case you're having trouble. And then don't forget to clean out underneath your throat plate as well, because a lot of things gather up under here too that can cause some of those other issues.